Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So no video for a couple days with Nikola because it was just trapped between our two key levels. Could not get a close above this 68.50 area. You see it spike up. This is why we always watch the close, especially on the 4-hour basis, because multiple times it tried, could not. It went the other way, closed below our 63 level, and then we were still watching for the 50, and then this 50% retracement at 57. So 58 and 57 spiking below there and then rallying slightly back up above the 50% level. So if we get below today's low, we'll then target 53.10, 48.03, and 42.96. Remember, there's still a gap down here that can be filled. This is not a bullish pattern at all. You have now the first cross of the rotation zone. So on any rally, this prior support area is key resistance, so we'll be watching 63. So above the high of today, or above this 4-hour high, sorry. Above this 4-hour high of 61.15, we'll start watching for that 63 level. If it dips slightly above it, we'll watch for 64.10. Here's what it looks like on the daily chart. So you see here, hold these levels, the rotation zone started hooking over, and then we even closed below the daily rotation zone. So that didn't even put a dent in it. So this is we're in bearish mode now on the 4-hour. We're in neutral mode on the daily. 50-day exponential coming in at 45.25. I'd still be watching this cluster at about 48. So 48 would be my next major level if we break below 53.10. So we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.